Welcome to Lender Portal training. Lender Portal puts you in control of the products you offer to brokers. It's super easy to make your products available to all brokers or to promote specials or exclusive product offerings. It can even be used to attract new business. Lender Portal can help your sales team to get information out faster and easier to the right people. Log into Lender Portal using the latest version of Google Chrome. Click the icon in the top left to see your lender profile. This is a summary of all of your products, including those that have been archived or are expiring soon. Your operating provinces are listed here. If there are provinces or territories that you wish to completely exclude, you may remove the checks here. For example, I've excluded the Yukon and Northwest territories. Always save your changes when finished, or confirm if you choose to exit without saving. Fixed and variable products are listed separately. Expand filters to narrow down the products listed. Click Reset to return to all products. To add a new product, click here. By default, all products are available to all brokers. When setting up a new product, if you would prefer to make it exclusive or only have it available to certain networks, brokerages, or provinces, click Edit Availability. Here you can choose to exclude by network or by province. I can remove access to these 3 networks, or I can expand each one and remove by province. Over here, I can see the brokerages who have access to this product, and those who have been excluded are shown on the right. Now, what if my product is exclusive and I only want it to be visible to a few select brokerages? I would scroll down and click here to move all to the unavailable column. My product is now available for 0 of 49 firms. I can search for my target brokerage by name, firm code, province, or network, and make this exclusive product available only to them by clicking here. The default is to use these settings for all future firms. So this product will remain exclusive unless you decide to give access to new brokerages in the future. Click Save to edit product availability. When you're setting up new products, these are the mandatory fields. Below are additional attributes that are used by mortgage agents when they're searching for a good match for their deals. The more attributes you complete for your product, the better the chances of receiving the type of deals you're looking for. Think of it as a matchmaker for your product and the broker's next application. Rate details and product descriptions are also a great way to let mortgage agents understand more about your products. To add client, product, or property attributes, click the plus sign to bring them into play. Make your selections. Click Save when finished creating your new product. It's important to note, product attributes will not prevent an agent from submitting a deal to you. It serves as informational purposes when a broker is looking for a good fit. For example, if you've indicated that a good match for this product would be a property with a maximum of 3 units, it does not stop a submission of an application with 4 units. The only way to prevent submissions is by using the product availability settings. Now let's review editing your existing products. Bulk edit is an easy way to apply certain attributes to many products at once. Select individual products or click to select all. Onto the Attributes to Edit tab and make your selections. Click to update selected products. To ensure that all of your existing products have the right attributes and availability settings, click the cogwheel and edit product. Other options are to archive. This makes the product instantly unavailable. Use duplicate if you'd like to create another similar product, and history to see when a product was created or modified over time. Use the export function to export all of these products to a CSV file. This comes in handy when reviewing many products and attributes. I like to send it to my manager to review and sign off after a big update. To keep your rates up to date moving forward, simply input your new rate, click Update, and select the date the new rate takes effect. Click Update to save. If you're updating multiple rates, you can click Update All rather than saving one at a time. It's a good idea to update all before moving on to subsequent pages. If your rates have not changed in a while, use the Confirm button periodically to keep your last update date fresh. Use Confirm for fixed and then again for variable. Thanks for watching. We hope you found it helpful. Please reach out to us if you have any questions or comments.